Hello. Welcome to our English practice session. Today, we will spend 5 minutes together to improve your speaking. Don't worry about grammar or mistakes. Just relax, listen to me, and repeat out loud. Let's start. Listen carefully and speak clearly. How is your day going? I am learning something new. It is a beautiful day today. Can you help me, please? I am happy to be here. What are your plans for today? I need some practice. This is very interesting. Let's take a short break. I am trying my best. Great job. Remember, English is just a language. You don't need to be perfect to start. Just keep practicing these small sentences every day. The more you speak, the more natural you will sound. You are doing much better than you think. That is all for today. You did a great job in these 5 minutes. If you want to practice more, you can watch this video again or check my other lessons. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day. Catch you later.